This is a great position to work in because it opens up the lines in whole new ways. If you're not using this in clinic, start doing it. It's very comfortable for the patients. So many people sleep like this, relax like this, so they're going to be comfortable just from laying that way. In many cases more so than laying prone or supine. So I like to have people lay in this position, and the way that it just opens things up, the way that it opens up points that are sometimes difficult to get to. You can get to Achilles tendon points here, 77.01, 77.02, 03. You've got the whole bladder line accessible. Here, we've got the yin lines. Now, let's say you're doing Zong Fu pattern identification in this too, right? Like you've got your health questionnaire filled out. Maybe it's orientated along Zong Fu patterns. You've done your meridian assessment. You've done your points. And then, if she does have kidney deficiency, you can come and just check kidney 3. And you've also got so many points and lines accessible through this position. Now, I think someone asked me if I always do opposite side needling or same side. And, the traditional teachings from Dr. Tong, and I think what most people are doing that treat with the balance method and with Tong's points are doing opposite side to start, right? So if she has left-sided hip pain, we might think of needling the right side, right? Opposite side. So left side hip pain, we could needle the right side. Now, because there's this junction between the Tai Yang and the Xiao Yang and the lumbar area and the hips and the pelvis, right? The Tai Yang and the Xiao Yang are all converging in here. I do find that there are a substantial number of clients that will respond positively when treating hip pain with using Yao Tong Shui in these 2 points, 22.07 and Yao Tong Shui. So just those two with Sanjiao 5, because we pair Sanjiao 5 with GB41 too, right? So these points here, that can be useful for hip conditions because it's targeting that lumbar area, but because of the Tai Yang Xiao Yang connection, then it's a nice point group to add a lot of times. Now I can also get to, if she's already laying in this position, I can easily get to those points, but notice that it's now on the same side, okay? Which is fine because I've found that for many cases I can needle the same side and still get a good result, okay? And sometimes you even get a better result by needling the same side. So don't think that we're stuck in stone and we always have to needle the opposite side for a system 1. You can use the same side, okay? You can use it in the shoulder. You can get results with this for treating the hip. You can do points like Yao Tong Shui and 22.07. I like Yao Tong Shui and 22.07 with Sanjiao 5 if I'm treating the hip. Or you can do the 2 Yao Tong Shui points with 33.08 and 33.09 up here. Okay, we spoke about those. Are you familiar with these points? 33.08 and 33.09? Yeah. So you come up 6.5 sun and then over half a sun towards the ulna. So you're between the Tai Yang and Xiao Yang. And then you come up another sun or a sun and a half, I think is the actual textbook location. So right here in this area from 6.5 sun, remember this is 12, come up 6 sun, another, and then look for the tension, right? There, to target the hips. So these 2 points on the hand with these 2 points can target the hip. And then from here, you can start with the yin lines if you want. You can start on the lateral line. You can work the peroneus longus. You can work the points between the stomach and gallbladder lines. But we're talking more about Tai Yang, Xiao Yang patterns now. So anatomically, that junction between the Xiao Yang and Tai Yang, we've got the peroneus longus here, and then the soleus muscle, as we spoke of this morning, and then the gastrocnemius. So I've got access to this whole junction between the Taiyang and Shaoyang. Okay.